Hey, I just want to talk to you about how you can easily find the median and mean in a dot plot. So what's great about a dot plot is everything's already in order from least to greatest. So it's very easy to find the median because the median means the middle. So to find the median, I need to find out how many numbers are in here. And when I count them, I count there are 25 um, pieces of data in this sample. So that means that if there's 25, I'm going to divide that number by 2. So I'm saying I'm cutting that in half. So that means if I divide 25 by 2, I would get 12 and a half, or 12.5. So what that tells me is, if it's 12 and a half, that means that the 13th number in this data set is going to be the median. And the reason why is because if I have like 12 numbers over here, and then here's the 13th number, and then that'll give me 12 more numbers to get to 25. Okay, because 12 plus 12 is 24. One more, this 13th number in the middle will be our 25. So all I'm going to do is count in 12. So I'm going to start here, 1, and then count in 12. And when I'm counting 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I go at the top to the bottom. So I ended up right here at 12. So this will be the 13th number. Now I'm going to come in the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13th number. See, I counted from both sides. So the 13th number, the median number, is actually right there in that spot. And that makes sense because this distribution is it's kind of evenly mounded here. And so the number I have is, for the median, would be 9 1/4. So that's that. Okay. You can also find the mean very easily here, although I'm not going to calculate it for you, but I am just going to show you how you would calculate it. So remember, the mean is when you add up all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. Remember, there were 25 numbers. So one mistake people make is they make two main mistakes. One is they add up the number of dots. So they do 1 plus 2 plus 3. But that's going to give me a mean that's very small, and it's not going to make sense in my data. It's not that. Another thing that people will do that's a mistake is they do 8 plus 8.5 plus 8 3/4, and they only add 1 of each number. And that's another error that people make, because you should be adding 25 total numbers. So here's how I'm going to get my 25 numbers for my data set. I have 1 8. I have 2, 1, 2, 8.5, because there's 2 dots for 8.5. There are 3 dots for 8 3/4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 dots for 9. And I keep doing that until I have the entire list of the data and the number for each one in the data set. So then I would add all this up and I would get an answer, and I would divide that. I'm going to divide this entire answer, whatever this is, by 25. When I do that, the number that I get should be somewhere around 9, because most of the data clusters here, right, in this region. So you would think that the mean should probably be close between 9 and 9.5. So I'll let you figure that out for yourself. But that's the easy way to find the median and the mean from a dot plot. Thanks.